Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni nigatebire bune kiamekyo ya Jubilee nigo kigendererete kubika Kisii amone bya mabinde bunenchere ya moyo gotinya kiamekyo eyemagega ye kiama kia United Democratic Movement UDM ekyokere kyobo governor we county
party visiting us here between Jubilee party and the UDM party and with any finer detail left will be worked upon, and in the coming days we will get a signing ceremony that we hope the presence of His Excellency the President will be available. It is his request and desire that he be there when this is being signed, and it's for that reason that we want to thank the UDM with the whole leadership that is here, led by the party leader, Governor Roba, for that desire to work together and successful negotiations that are now awaiting only the signatures of our party leader and the party leader from UDM party. We have continued to sign similar agreements, and we will continue doing the same, because this is the best way to manage our affairs as we head towards the general elections in the month of August.